you, Jake. Time now for another check of the forecast tonight.
Joining us at the desk, Rachel.
A lot of people have a couple of questions. Number one, when is it going to stop being windy?
Yeah, that's a good one.
That's a good one.
And it will still be breezy tomorrow, but I think we get rid of the wind entirely on Friday.
What are the other questions?
How much is it going to snow? Friday night into Saturday. I got all these answers for you.
More clarity.
Yes, more clarity today. You know, yesterday we were talking about a lot of different scenarios, a big range. Now we've kind of tightened things up a little bit, and it looks like we will get some fringe effects from a storm that will pass to the south and west of us in Connecticut. So we're thinking some light snow later Friday night into early Saturday. Most of the state could end up getting a coating, maybe even up to an inch or so. But the best chance for over an inch of snow would be in parts of western Connecticut. I'll show you that in just a little bit. But heading into Saturday, we're drying out. There might be a few lingering, maybe a light snow shower or some flurries early in the day, but overall a drying trend, which is good news for the Hartford St. Patrick's Day parade, although maybe there's a little festive coating of snow on the ground, although I'm not sure that's the right holiday, right? Let's take a look at winds gusting 15, 20 miles per hour out there in spots. And again, I still think it's breezy tomorrow, but if you've noticed each and every day this week while we've noticed the wind, we dial it back just a little bit, and that will be the case tomorrow too before we lose it on Friday, and that's going to feel so nice. Overnight lows right around 30 degrees, upper 20s for some with partly cloudy skies, and heading through the day tomorrow we'll see a mixture of sun and clouds and high temperatures that will climb in the mid to upper 40s. Taking a look at your Friday, we're going to start the day off with some sunshine. Then we'll see increasing clouds. It's another day in the 40s. We're dry all day long, but after 7 o'clock, we'll start to see some snow begin to develop. We should be okay for the evening commute. It should be after that snow really begins to develop between 7 to 10. Snow moves in and then it kind of falls apart over us. And the reason why is because the storm that will end up developing develops a little bit too far to the south. So that's why we're thinking some lingering flurries, maybe a light snow shower first thing Saturday morning, but we're drying things out as we head through the course of the day with mostly cloudy skies. So a coating to an inch or so is possible for most of the state. And again, the best chance for 1-2 inches of snow, maybe even up to 3, would be in western Connecticut. But this has still got some wiggle room here. Some of our newer guidance has pushed this even farther away, showing very little in the way of accumulation, and others just a little bit of a nudge to the east. So of course, every forecast in Connecticut is always really challenging, but I think there will be a sharp gradient between a few inches of snow in New York and no snow at all for areas just to the east of us. So we're going to be kind of right in the middle. How does that always happen for us? So we'll update you on this as we head through the course of the day tomorrow. Heading into Sunday for the second half of the weekend, mostly sunny skies, highs close to 50 degrees. And we're also keeping a close eye on early next week, Monday and Tuesday. This could be a bigger storm for us. Looks like there is a chance for rain, for snow, maybe a little bit of both. And I think elevation will play a role, which is oftentimes what we see as we head into this time of year. So it's too early to be nervous or excited about this one just yet. It's all going to come down to the track, but put it in the back of your mind and keep checking in as we get a little bit closer, guys.
Noted. Thank you, Rachel. All right, still ahead on the Fox 61 News at 10.